Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan here. We have a massive update with Uber. Uber, the conglomerate, the multi-billion-dollar conglomerate, which loves to pay drivers $39 per hour during working utilized hours in the top 20 cities when you are giving rides. I love how that's the number they use, $39 per hour. But it's like, but wait, that's only during utilized hours in the top 20 cities. And by the way, you're not getting paid for when you're waiting for rides. You know, you can go out and drive for 8 hours, but you're only getting paid for 4 or 5 utilized hours. Anyways, I thought that was pretty funny. But let's get started with the video. I wanted to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile app that actually pays you 2 days faster as an Uber and a Lyft driver or a gig worker. All you have to do is sign up with our link below, and they pay 4% APY, 4% interest on your money, which is the highest I know of right now. If you know anything higher, let me know, unless some crypto scam. But this is actually a legit FDIC insured, mobile banking app that pays you money, pays you interest on your money, 4%. They also have no fees on overdraft, up to $200 if you ever go negative. There's no fees, no annual fees, no credit checks or anyways. Check out Current down below, get paid up to 2 days faster. Let's get started with the video. So, Uber is paying $100 million in back taxes. And according to Forbes, this is a positive sign for gig workers. The arrival of the gig economy placed a renewed emphasis on the problem of worker misclassification. We all remember what happened in California with AB 5 and Prop 22 and the debate between should drivers be independent contractors or employees. Now, obviously, they sided with being independent contractors and not employees. So what basically happened was New Jersey Department of Labor and Workforce Development gets $100 million in back taxes. Uber made the news recently because they agreed to pay $100 million in what amounts to unpaid state payroll taxes to the New Jersey Department of Labor. According to the New York Times, this tax issue started back in 2019 after an audit concluded that Uber and Razor owed 4 years worth of back taxes. So they paid which totaled $530 million and another $119 million in interest. So why did they have to pay so much money in back taxes? I believe it's because of the worker misclassification. There was, that's what they settled on. So they settled on $100 million. Consisting of 78 million. So they, got a huge discount because they would have had to owe around 700 million or about 650, but instead they only are owing about 100 million. So why is worker misclassification a big deal? When an employee wrongly labels its workers as independent contractors and not employees, it gives 2 major benefits to employers. So basically, yeah, they're kind of getting out of paying taxes because as an independent contractor, the company doesn't need to pay benefits and all these other types of taxes that usually would come with having employees. So for drivers, that basically just goes to show Uber would rather keep you as an independent contractor and not as an employee. There's no sign of doing that anytime soon. So that being said, we're gonna end the video there. Let me know your thoughts. And again, check out Current with our link down below. Get paid up to 2 days faster. You can link your gig account there and you will no longer have overdraft fees up to $200 when you ever go negative. And yeah, they're just a really awesome company. Current, there's over 3 million people who use it. I use Current. You get cash back on your gas purchases. Check out Current with our link below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.